So I finally stopped fighting it. TikTok has me now. Okay, so some changes to my content creation business. So as you can see here, I have over 1,000 followers on TikTok, which means I am actually able to be a part of the TikTok Shop affiliate program. What that means is I'm able to make TikTok videos and sell products. So on some of my videos, the one that I actually make, they're called shoppable videos. I'll be able to make the videos and actually have the product link on the screen, and then when someone buys it, I get a commission off of it. So this is something very similar to the Amazon influencer program, which I've been doing for a little while, but I'm finding that getting sales on TikTok Shop is a little bit harder than the Amazon affiliate program or influencer program, because the videos are living on Amazon and people are already on the product pages ready to buy. So they just watch that video and you just give them that last little nudge to actually make the purchase. On TikTok Shop, you just have somebody doom scrolling on their phone and they come across a product video and then you have to convince them like, hey, buy this product. So it's a little bit tricky in that way, but something that's easier on TikTok is that TikTok will push the video out to people that they think might actually buy the product. So in that sense, it's a little bit easier, but just different things, different difficulties. But yeah, a lot has been going on. So let's go over to the YouTube side here. So this is my main YouTube channel. I've been publishing the TikTok videos onto YouTube as well, which has been changing my analytics a little bit. So this is my main YouTube channel, the channel that you guys are currently watching this video on. Within the last 28 days, 235,000 views. Let's actually filter this out to August. As I'm recording this is August 27th. And this is what my data is looking like so far. As you can see, I'm publishing a lot more YouTube shorts, and that's because I've been focusing on TikTok, just trying to increase my follower count to 1,000 to get access to TikTok Shop. I've still not made a single sale on TikTok Shop through the TikTok Shop affiliate program, but hopefully that'll happen soon. But yeah, almost 220,000 views, over 1,300 hours of watch time, gain 139 subscribers. And so far YouTube has paid me almost $400. But interesting development is that I've actually started making sales on YouTube's affiliate program. So as you can see, I had 3 orders, and in terms of the estimated revenue, I made $2 here, $2 here, and a couple dollars here, and like 50 cents here. But my product clicks have been going up, and I do believe, it's the long form video here, but product clicks have been going up because I've been publishing more YouTube shorts, and on the YouTube shorts you could add a product link. So in a sense, it's kind of like a TikTok shoppable video, but I don't have to make the video solely around the product. Like if I just am using this microphone, I could put a link to the microphone on the product since it's appearing on the video, which is pretty neat to see, and hopefully able to grow the YouTube side of things as time goes on. But let's go over to my secondary YouTube channel here, filtering out, going to second YouTube channel. So right now, most profitable thing is Amazon affiliate program, then followed by YouTube and TikTok, which is generating me $0 worth of income at the moment. But yeah, this is my review channel, which this channel has been going up as well, which is pretty nice. As you can see, I've been publishing like 2 to 3 product review videos every single day, bringing my catalog of videos from Amazon over to YouTube. So it's been pretty easy to keep this channel fairly active. Let's filter out to August. And so in August, 44,000 views, over 700 hours of watch time, 28 subscribers. Again, the subscriber count doesn't matter to me that much. It's more about the views. Since I'm already monetized, since I already got the 1,000 subscribers that you need to get monetized, subscribers don't matter to me as much anymore. So almost $300 at this point generated from this channel. And going to the the affiliate program, YouTube affiliate program, I got $11, almost $12. So one day got a $7 commission there, got a $2 commission there, $2 commission there, and the product clicks for this one higher up because most of the videos on this channel are review videos. So pretty cool to see this going up as well. So going to be working on not simply just relying on ad revenue, because you never know. I'm not saying it's going to go away or anything, but you never know how much you're going to get paid through ads. This way, you have a regular way of generating more income by sending people to products. They'll buy the products, you get the commission. Just another way to kind of protect myself, which is another reason I started doing the TikTok, just because I rely solely on Amazon right now for a majority of the income. Then I rely on YouTube for the second portion. And now I'm like, what do I do if something happens to both? Not a bad idea to just have a third social media that I could kind of count on in case the other two aren't performing as well. But yeah, that is an August update of my content creation business. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave it in the comment section below. But thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.